Are you struggling to come up with fresh ideas for your writing? Have you hit a creative wall and are in need of some inspiration? Look no further.
Here is the answer to your question.
ChatGPT has a new prompt hack that will revolutionize your writing. This prompt hack is designed to challenge and stimulate your imagination, and it's guaranteed to give you the inspiration you need to take your writing to the next level. In this video, we'll discuss how this prompt hack works and provide some examples of how it can be used to elevate your writing. Get ready to unleash your creativity and transform your writing with this ChatGPT prompt hack. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video for more informational videos like this. Without any further delay, let's dive in. What is the ChatGPT prompt hack? The ChatGPT prompt hack is a revolutionary tool for writers seeking inspiration and direction in their writing. ChatGPT, a natural language processing (NLP) model developed by OpenAI, generates text prompts based on user inputs, which can be used to inspire writing projects and spark creativity. The ChatGPT prompt hack takes this concept a step further by using ChatGPT prompts as a foundation for structured writing projects. By using ChatGPT prompts as a jumping-off point, writers can explore a wide range of topics and genres while remaining focused and organized in their writing. The ChatGPT prompt hack allows writers to access a vast library of prompts that are constantly updated, ensuring that writers always have fresh inspiration to draw from. This tool can be especially helpful for those experiencing writer's block, struggling to find a starting point for their writing project, or simply looking to experiment with new genres and writing styles. By using ChatGPT prompts as a guide, writers can focus on the act of writing itself, rather than worrying about what to write about. This tool is particularly helpful for those who struggle with brainstorming and organizing their ideas, as the prompts provided by ChatGPT can serve as a roadmap for their writing journey. Overall, the ChatGPT prompt hack is an innovative tool that can help writers of all levels break out of creative ruts and find new inspiration for their writing projects. The benefits of using ChatGPT prompts for writing. Are you struggling to come up with ideas for your writing? Look no further than ChatGPT prompts. Using these prompts can revolutionize your writing process and lead to countless benefits. Here are just a few reasons why you should start using ChatGPT prompts today. They spark creativity. The ChatGPT prompts are designed to challenge your creativity and inspire new ideas. They force you to think outside the box and come up with unique and interesting concepts. They save time. Sometimes the hardest part of writing is simply coming up with an idea. With ChatGPT prompts, the idea is already there, saving you precious time that you can use to focus on your writing. They help overcome writer's block. Writer's block is a common issue that many writers face. ChatGPT prompts are an excellent way to get your creative juices flowing and overcome that frustrating feeling of being stuck. They provide variety. The ChatGPT prompts cover a wide range of topics, from science fiction to romance to horror. This variety allows you to explore different genres and styles of writing, keeping things fresh and exciting. Overall, using ChatGPT prompts can enhance your writing experience in many ways. Give them a try and see how they can transform your writing process. Some examples. ChatGPT is a prompt engineer. Mind you, ChatGPT is also a talented prompt creator for other AI engines like DALL-E and Midjourney. You can use its expertise to generate creative and effective inputs for your other AI ventures, or even request tips on crafting prompts for ChatGPT itself. When requesting prompts, remember that specificity is key. Encourage ChatGPT to elaborate on your sentences. Role-play as a dedicated prompt generator for a particular AI tool, or refine its responses as you provide additional information. With ChatGPT's assistance, you'll unlock new possibilities across various AI platforms. Your favorite author's style. You can transform ChatGPT's standard, matter-of-fact tone into something truly captivating by guiding it to emulate the unique style of your favorite author as well. Imagine the striking simplicity of an Ernest Hemingway or Raymond Carver narrative, the poetic flow of a Shakespearean masterpiece, or the rich complexity of a Dickensian tale, all within your AI-generated text. While the results may not rival the brilliance of the original authors, this creative approach promises to elevate the output you receive, adding an enthralling twist to your AI experience. Art of answer limitation. You can instruct ChatGPT to confine its responses to a specific word count or a designated number of paragraphs. Do this by requesting it to condense a 4-paragraph explanation into a single, succinct paragraph, or even challenge it to provide answers using words should ChatGPT initially miss the mark. Simply correct it and watch as it adapts to your preferences, delivering the desired output containing 7 characters or fewer for a simplified response. Tabulated responses. ChatGPT can answer in an organized, tabular form upon request. This feature is incredibly useful when you need precise information or a burst of creativity. Imagine having meal plans and their ingredients neatly arranged, game concepts with their required equipment, or a comparison of weekdays in various languages, all at your disposal. By leveraging follow-up prompts and conversational language, you can easily guide ChatGPT to modify the generated tables and even create them in a universally compatible format, perfect for importing into programs like Microsoft Excel. Embrace the convenience and clarity that tabulated responses from ChatGPT have to offer. Tips and tricks for maximizing the potential of the ChatGPT prompt hack. The ChatGPT prompt hack refers to the technique of providing specific instructions and context in the initial prompt to guide the AI's responses. This can help maximize the potential of ChatGPT and ensure more accurate and relevant outputs. Here are some tips and tricks to make the most of the ChatGPT prompt hack. Be specific. Clearly define your query or request in the prompt to avoid ambiguity. The more specific you are, the better the AI can understand and generate appropriate responses. Set the context. Provide relevant background information or context to help the AI understand the topic or subject matter. This can include details about the industry, target audience, or specific requirements. Use examples. Include sample responses or examples of the desired output format to guide the AI's understanding and encourage more accurate responses. Iterate and refine. If the initial response isn't satisfactory, don't hesitate to refine and iterate the prompt. Experiment with different phrasing, reordering, or adding more explicit instructions to achieve the desired result. Control output length. If you want shorter or more concise responses, specify the desired length or request the AI to summarize its answers. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comment section below. See you in the next one.